first of all, I'll just say what I'm here to do and who I am. So my name is Leah from the PR department of AudaCity Capital, and at the moment we are just conducting interviews with our traders just to find out how they got into trading and their journey, their hardships, their success and everything like that. So the first question I'd like to ask you is just to introduce yourself and then explain your journey, how you got into trading and to where you are now.
Absolutely. Thank you for that, Leah. My name is Partha and I'm a full-time trader. I trade for a living, and I also run a trader training institute in Melbourne. And I run that trader training institute to develop traders to be consistently profitable. And myself trade all the asset classes, Forex, commodities, bonds, indices, shares, and even cryptocurrencies. That's what all about.
Nice. So how long have you been trading and what sent you down the path of trading?
Yeah, basically I'm an engineer and I left my corporate life after I fall in love in trading. And that was way back in April 2010, so almost 10 years.
So when and how did you learn to trade successfully? Did you have some good times, some bad times? Did you have a mentor? Did you have any education? How did you find out which trading strategy is the most successful for you?
Yeah, I had one advantage being trained in engineering for 4 years. That has developed my two aspects. And that is, one is discipline and second one is control. So I have a little bit of control over myself and I have extremely disciplined character. My mentors are all virtual, like Paul Tudor Jones and other traders who have become successful, George Soros, they are all and I have learned whatever I have learned through my self-study because I had a good experience in computer language programming, and I have developed all certain programs, and I have actually, for example, written thousands of programs, and most of them did not work. Very few of them did work in this marketplace, and it was a long journey because I learned it from myself and from market through my computer coding advantage which I had. And yeah, it was a self-learning process, although it took some time.
So what you're doing the funded trader program with AudaCity Capital, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how's your experience been with that so far?
Yeah, AudaCity Capital compared to its competitor are better in some sense, but I would probably request you to add on some of the suggestions which I probably will make. The good thing about AudaCity Capital is it provides a 10% drawdown, and if you see across the world, most of the best known traders, individual traders I'm talking about, they have a possible drawdown can be 20 to 24%. They are profitable, they are trading for living, but their drawdown can at times due to market conditions or due to something else possibly can go down, go to 24% or 20% at least. Yeah, AudaCity's capital good because they give 10%, which is not bad. That is one good thing about AudaCity Capital. The other thing about AudaCity Capital probably which needs to be considered is it is possibly for intraday traders because the program does not allow you to hold onto your trades for more than a week or more than weekends. Yeah, that's the biggest challenge for example, those who are like us who can be positional traders, not very long term, maybe for a month. If AudaCity Capital does not close the trade after some weekends, if it allows the trades to run over the weekend as possibly others do, I think it will definitely attract more customers and clients to AudaCity Capital.
Great, that's great feedback. I will definitely pass that on and see what they say about it because I think that's great feedback.
Thanks, Leah.
So my last question is because some of these videos are for traders who may either want to get into a funded trader program or want to get into trading and just the industry. So what is the best advice you can give to traders?
I think to start with, the traders should ask two questions to themselves, because it is a business or a game with yourself. Right? So me and my computer, you and your computer. So possibly the first two questions which comes to my mind to be asked is, am I for trading? Is trading for living? Is trading for me? That means, am I enjoying the process? Am I learning? Am I learning the mistakes and not learning from the mistakes and not repeating them? Yeah, that is number one possibly. And the second aspect, to know you inside out, how greedy or fearful you are, how indisciplined or disciplined you are, how uncontrolled or controlled you are, because market is your mirror. It will reflect everything inside out. And the third thing would be to must follow the risk management and the money management through your written down trade plan. And if in AudaCity Capital, if you're an intraday trader and you are trying only 0.3% per day, so that makes 1.5% or even 1% a week. That can go up to 4% a month, and you can target 10% in 2.5 months or 3 months, and then AudaCity Capital will take care of you. So these are the questions which need to be answered before you get into trading.